Belly fat is the most dangerous type of fat in your body, and ignoring it may have serious consequences for your health. But here's the good news. Losing belly fat doesn't require extreme diets or exhausting workouts. With the right strategies, you may target this stubborn fat and feel healthier and more confident. In this video, we'll share 10 proven steps to lose belly fat fast, from simple dietary changes to exercise hacks that boost your metabolism. You'll also learn how specific habits impact your body and what makes belly fat so resistant in the first place. Before we start, it's important to remember that everyone's body is different and results may vary. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise routine. Stay tuned until the end to discover the disease that might be secretly growing due to your belly fat. Let's start now. 1. Prioritize high-intensity interval training, HIIT workouts. High-intensity interval training is one of the most effective ways to lose belly fat fast because it pushes the body into overdrive, burning fat efficiently during and after the workout. HIIT alternates between intense bursts of exercise and short recovery periods, maximizing calorie burn in a brief time frame. This approach doesn't just torch calories during the workout, it keeps your metabolism elevated for hours afterward thanks to the excess post-exercise oxygen consumption effect. As your body works to recover, it burns additional calories, specifically targeting fat stores, including the stubborn fat around the belly. HIIT also triggers a hormonal response that aids in reducing abdominal fat. It stimulates the release of human growth hormone, which accelerates fat breakdown and inhibits fat storage, especially in the visceral region, the deeper, more dangerous fat surrounding internal organs. Additionally, HIIT improves insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use glucose more effectively instead of storing it as fat. This dual impact of hormonal regulation and enhanced metabolism makes it particularly powerful for trimming the waistline. Over time, consistent HIIT workouts condition the body to become more efficient at burning fat as a fuel source. Unlike steady-state cardio, which burns calories only during the workout, HIIT keeps the body in fat-burning mode throughout the day. Its time efficiency and adaptability mean it may be easily incorporated into any routine, making it a practical and sustainable way to shed belly fat and improve overall health. A ResearchGate study highlights HIIT as a time-efficient workout that aids weight loss by boosting metabolism, enhances muscle strength through fast-twitch fiber activation, and reduces injury risks by improving movement patterns and joint stability, making it a versatile option for overall fitness. 2. Limit sugar and refined carbohydrates. When foods high in sugar or refined carbs such as pastries, white bread, soda, and candy are consumed, they cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This triggers the pancreas to release insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar by moving glucose into cells. However, excessive insulin also signals the body to store excess glucose as fat, with the belly being a common storage site. Over time, consistently high sugar and refined carb intake may lead to insulin resistance, where cells become less responsive to insulin. This causes even more insulin to be produced, perpetuating a cycle of fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Limiting these foods breaks this cycle, stabilizing blood sugar and reducing insulin spikes. With lower insulin levels, the body is better able to access stored fat for energy, encouraging fat loss from the belly. Cutting back on sugar and refined carbs also helps reduce hunger and cravings. These foods are digested quickly, leading to a rapid rise and fall in blood sugar levels, which triggers feelings of hunger and the urge to eat more. By focusing on whole foods like vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, blood sugar remains stable, keeping hunger at bay and reducing overall calorie intake, which is key for losing belly fat. 3. Incorporate soluble fiber into your diet. Incorporating soluble fiber into your diet every day is a highly effective way to lose belly fat fast, because it targets fat storage through multiple mechanisms while promoting overall health. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, flax seeds, avocados, and legumes, dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This gel slows the digestion of food, helping you feel full for longer and reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on high-calorie foods. Over time, this reduced calorie intake contributes to a steady loss of belly fat. But it's not just about feeling full. Soluble fiber directly impacts belly fat by regulating the body's fat storage processes. One key mechanism is its ability to lower insulin levels. High insulin levels encourage fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. By slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, soluble fiber prevents insulin spikes, keeping your fat-storing hormones in check and promoting fat burning instead. Another major benefit of soluble fiber is its role in gut health. It feeds beneficial gut bacteria which produce short-chain fatty acids during fermentation. These fatty acids help regulate fat metabolism and reduce inflammation in the body, both of which are closely linked to belly fat accumulation. A balanced gut microbiome also improves digestion and reduces bloating, making your stomach appear flatter. ResearchGate highlights dietary fiber as a key solution for obesity, with studies showing its effectiveness in reducing weight and preventing metabolic diseases. Both soluble and insoluble fiber intake are linked to lower obesity rates, with results varying based on fiber source, dosage, and duration. Fiber-rich foods, rather than supplements, offer a practical approach to managing obesity. 4. Incorporate fat-burning foods. Certain foods contain compounds that actively promote fat loss by influencing key hormones, improving digestion, and increasing thermogenesis, the process where your body generates heat to burn calories. When included consistently, these foods work synergistically with your body to target stubborn belly fat effectively. Take green tea, for example. It's packed with catechins, a type of antioxidant that boosts metabolism and enhances fat oxidation, helping your body use stored fat for energy. Drinking green tea regularly has been shown to reduce visceral fat, the harmful fat around internal organs that contributes to belly bulge. Similarly, chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that stimulates thermogenesis, increasing calorie burn and reducing appetite, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit, which is essential for losing belly fat. Avocados are another example of a fat-burning food with unique benefits for belly fat loss. They are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to help reduce abdominal fat specifically. These fats help regulate hormones that control appetite and fat storage, like leptin, making it easier to burn stored fat rather than accumulating more. Avocados also provide fiber, which slows digestion, keeping you full longer and preventing overeating. 5. Stay hydrated throughout the day. When the body is well hydrated, it also helps regulate appetite. Often, feelings of thirst are mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie consumption. By staying hydrated, you naturally reduce the risk of overeating, which is a common contributor to belly fat. Drinking water before meals may further curb appetite by creating a sense of fullness, leading to lower calorie intake. Over time, this habit supports a caloric deficit, essential for reducing fat in the abdominal area. Proper hydration also plays a role in maintaining a fast metabolism. Dehydration may cause the metabolism to slow down, making it harder to burn calories efficiently. When you drink enough water, the body is better equipped to convert stored fat into energy, contributing to a reduction in belly fat over time. Additionally, drinking cold water may temporarily boost metabolism as the body uses extra energy to warm the water to body temperature, leading to a small but cumulative calorie burn. Hydration supports the body's detoxification processes as well. The liver, which plays a key role in metabolizing fat, works more effectively when adequately hydrated. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products that might otherwise interfere with fat-burning processes. This detoxifying effect reduces bloating, making the stomach appear flatter, while also improving digestion, which indirectly impacts how the body stores and utilizes fat. 6. Manage stress levels through mindfulness practices. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga, counteract the stress response by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest mode. When the body shifts away from the fight or flight state induced by stress, cortisol levels naturally decrease. Lower cortisol means the body is less likely to store fat around the belly and more likely to use fat as an energy source. Mindfulness also helps regulate emotional eating, which is a common response to stress. When overwhelmed, many people turn to calorie-dense comfort foods that spike blood sugar levels, leading to further fat storage. By incorporating mindfulness daily, individuals become more aware of their hunger cues and are less likely to eat in response to emotional triggers, helping reduce calorie intake and belly fat accumulation over time. A ResearchGate study found that adding mindfulness meditation to standard weight loss programs led to greater weight loss. Over time, daily mindfulness practices not only reduce cortisol levels, but also lower systemic inflammation, a condition linked to visceral fat accumulation in the abdominal cavity. This reduction in inflammation helps the body metabolize fat more efficiently and prevents further storage in problem areas like the belly. Mindfulness also strengthens the connection between the brain and body, fostering healthier lifestyle choices overall. 7. Optimize sleep quality. Optimizing sleep quality every day is a game changer when it comes to losing belly fat fast, because sleep directly influences the hormones and processes responsible for fat storage and metabolism. Poor sleep disrupts the balance of key hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases when sleep is inadequate, making you feel hungrier and more prone to overeating. On the other hand, leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, decreases with poor sleep, leading to difficulty recognizing when to stop eating. This hormonal imbalance often results in excessive calorie intake, much of which gets stored as fat around the belly. During sleep, the body releases human growth hormone, which is vital for cell repair and fat metabolism. Quality sleep ensures optimal HGH release, encouraging the breakdown of fat stores, particularly visceral fat, which accumulates around the organs in the abdomen. Additionally, better sleep reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone linked to belly fat storage. Chronic sleep deprivation keeps cortisol levels elevated, creating a cycle where fat is stored instead of burned. A study in Author Manuscript found that better sleep health, including regularity, satisfaction, timing, and efficiency, was linked to greater weight and fat loss during a 12-month weight loss program. Improved sleep was significantly associated with fat loss, even after adjusting for sleep apnea, highlighting the importance of good sleep for successful weight management. 8. Avoid liquid calories. Liquid calories affect belly fat specifically because they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Drinks high in sugar are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to a surge in insulin, the hormone responsible for managing blood sugar. However, insulin also signals the body to store excess glucose as fat, particularly in the abdominal area. Over time, frequent consumption of sugary drinks leads to consistently elevated insulin levels, promoting fat storage and making it harder to lose belly fat. Alcohol is another major contributor to belly fat. It's not just about the empty calories. Alcohol interferes with the body's ability to burn